Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Data Career. Today we'll be looking at some data questions asked in interviews. This SQL question is asked in almost every data analyst interview question. And the tricky part is it looks very simple. So most people either just memorize the answer or they solve it without really understanding what's happening. Let's actually break it down properly. So imagine you're given a table like this with different employee salaries. Now the question is, what is the second highest salary? Seems pretty straightforward, right? At first glance, you might say, okay, that's 200. But hold on. What if the values repeat? What if the highest salary appears multiple times? Now the problem becomes slightly different. And this is exactly what the interviewers are testing. Not just your SQL syntax, but how you think. So now most people solve it like this. They find the maximum salary that is less than the overall maximum. And yes, this may work in most of the cases, but it is not generally the best approach. As you can see here, there are two employees that share the same salaries. This is because the solution doesn't really scale well. What if you're asked the third or the fourth highest salary? We'd have to keep modifying the query again and again. So clearly we need something more flexible. And this is where Windows function comes in, specifically dense rank. Instead of comparing values manually, we assign ranks to salaries, and then we simply pick the one with rank equal to 2. Let's quickly understand how dense rank or the Windows function works. We basically sort the salaries in descending order. Then the dense rank assigns rank like this. The highest salary gets rank 1. If there are duplicates, they get the same rank, and the next distinct value gets the rank without skipping the numbers. So in this case, both the 200 employees with 200 get values rank 2, and that's why when we filter for rank 2, that gives us the correct answer, which is both the records. This approach is much better because it handles duplicates. It works for nth highest values. You can find third or the fourth highest values as well with this approach, and it is much closer to how real world problems are solved. And here's what makes the difference in interviews, that we shouldn't just give the queries. Instead, we should try saying something like, I use dense rank because it handles duplicates and can be extended to find the nth highest values. That shows how you can actually solve real life world problems and you have a better understanding of the problem. If this helped you understand the problem better, like, share, and subscribe for more videos and stay tuned.